Hello, welcome to my channel. Make
Hello
sure you
everyone.
subscribe. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make coconut oil at home. So you get your coconut, peel it, then you cut it into tiny pieces and ready to grate. Now you pour it into a blender, pour in some water, and then you blend the coconut. After blending, you pour it into a bowl and then you add in some warm water, and then this is now time to sieve. You sieve out the chaff. Make sure you remove all the coconut milk from the chaff. And then when the milk is ready, you put it into the fridge for it to get chilled. After like 5 hours, cut out the blocked coconut milk, put it on a hot pan, and then you boil. Boil till the oil is clear enough. Up to when you see that the oil is now clear, sieve out any remnants, and there you have your homemade coconut oil. Thanks for watching.